Felicia. Welcome to the music section of TXT's tutorial, their new song Crown. If you guys wanted the explanation part of the tutorial, feel free to click up there. But if you came for the music, you came to the right place. I will be doing 75% speed, 90% speed, and 100% speed. And don't forget that this video is mirrored. And let's get going. Tutorial. Hopefully you guys had fun learning this song just as much as I did. If you guys post it on Instagram, don't forget to tag me, felicia.covers. That's my dance account on Instagram. All my other social media sites, I will leave things down in the description box below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!